Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today is a big day for our little Datsun project. We are back once again at Colourcraft, the guys that put the paint on our S15 project and helped us build our wide body GR Yaris. Today they're tasked with a bit of a bigger project. Well, it's a smaller car, but there's a lot to it. We've only got 4 weeks until we want to get this thing in Poland, and it's still looking a bit worse for wear. The boys have agreed to pull out all the stops and help us out as much as they can. We're not certain we can pull this off, to be honest. They seem more confident than I am, and they're not massively confident, but we're going to roll it off the trailer, get it inside, leave it with them, wash our hands of it and go home. Let's get on it. So we've come here with a vision in our mind of how we thought this car was going to leave here, and we were always going to paint this car white and then introduce any colour in terms of the wrap that we put on it, the same that we've done with all of our other cars that are track focused. There was cogs turning in my head about doing it like a mustard yellow, so Dave goes and pulls out the colour chips, and we've decided to go well away from yellow, and now we think we're going to go purple. I don't know how we've got here, but purple and teal. It'll probably change, like all the other cars have, but that's what they've got themselves in for. That. So today is a bit of an exciting day. We're in the van, we've got the trailer on the back, and we are making our way up to see our friends at Colourcraft because the Datsun is painted. When you last saw us here, we dropped this car off in a bit of a sorry state, and we were going through picking colours. I think we picked a pink, a blue, a yellow, a green. Anyway, long story short is we cut all that out and we went back to our original plan. We've done the car all white inside and out, the cage, the bay and everything. The guys are telling us the kit's on it and it is ready for us to pick up. However, this is no complete car yet, because in 4 days time we want to be putting this on a lorry with our other cars and sending it off to Poland to drift with Next Level at Ultrace. 4 days is a very tight timeline. Now, it has all been together once before and it all worked nicely, but as anyone that's built a car will know, rarely does it all go back together as well as it come apart. We're going to get up there, see what it looks like, then we're going to get it back to our place, get all the parts together and get the car back together, and hopefully we'll get it on that trailer ready for our trip to Poland. Let's go. of just 2 short weeks, the guys have managed to straighten this little car out, fully paint it inside and out, and fit the body kit, as well as restore a whole host of other parts. We've got the car on the trailer, we've got those parts in the van, so all that's left for us to do now is head back to the workshop, get the engine in there, all the running gear on, the interior, and then hopefully in 4 days time we're going to be ready to put a wrap on this and take it out to drift in Poland. Let's go. So with just a day to go until we head out to Poland, we've finally got our little Datsun project here in the Detailing Academy. The guys from Identity Wraps have come here today specially to help us get that Blackfish design on the car. We've also got a ton of other little bits and bobs we need to do to this to finish it off, and it needs a good clean before it goes on the trailer tomorrow morning, heads out to Poland to meet the rest of our cars, and hopefully we'll see this car in action. There's a fair bit to do, so let's get on with it. Just gone midnight on the final day of the build, and in less than 8 hours we need to get this thing on a trailer and on the way to Poland. But I think we've finally done it. The last few weeks on this car have been absolutely mad. Lots and lots of people have pitched in, put in real long hours. Jay, who's been building it, and Jamie, who's also been working on it. Those guys have literally done day and night on this for the last couple of weeks. As you can see behind us, Andy and the guys from Identity are still here. They've just finished up putting the wrap on. He's not here. He is here. He is still here. All we've got to do now is stick it on a trailer and send it down the road to Poland, and fingers crossed, hopefully you'll be seeing this thing drifting there this weekend. We've got to catch a flight, meet the car there. Let's do it. Somehow, I'm not quite sure how, but we managed to get the little Datsun finished in time for our trip to Poland. It's been out there both Saturday and Sunday running all day, and it hasn't missed a beat. Considering we put this thing together in 4 days and literally put the wrap on it, stuck it on a trailer and sent it on its way, we were expecting the odd little hiccup or a loose bolt or something we've missed here or there. However, the guy's done an absolutely brilliant job with this car. All that's left for us to do now is stick it back on the trailer, head back to the UK, because next week we have players. Let's go.